Hi! In front of me is CAT S75 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. First of all, open Messages app and click on one of your chats. Then click on this icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Now you can click on your photos that you wish to add right away. You can also tap on the gallery section and do exactly the same over here. When you're ready, select Add at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!